Hello everyone, it's me Udaya here with my friend
Anwesh,
and today we'll be learning about perimeter. Before we start, let's look at our materials. We have a square, a rectangle, measuring tape, scale,
a thread, this as a pentagon and this as a circle.
Anwesh, would you like to define a perimeter?
Yes, a perimeter is a continuous line forming around a geometrical shape. Noor, would you like to tell how to find the perimeter of a square?
Yes. As you see, this square is 20 centimeters. So 20 equals 80 centimeters. So the perimeter of this is 80 centimeters. Anwesh, now would you like to try to find the perimeter of the circle?
Yes. And now my friend Noor is going to help me find the perimeter of the circle. It is 30. Yeah. So the perimeter of the circular face is 35 centimeter. Now Noor, would you like to find the perimeter of a rectangle?
Sure. So the length of this rectangle is 20 centimeter and the breadth is 12.5. So 12.5 and 12.5 is 25 centimeter and 20 plus 20 is 40. 40 plus 25 is 65 centimeters. So the perimeter of this rectangle is 65 centimeter. So Anwesh, would you like to find the perimeter of the pentagon?
Yes, I'd like to try to find the perimeter of the pentagon. So a regular pentagon has equal sides. So if one side is 6 centimeter, so 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equals to 30. So 30 is the perimeter of this pentagon.
We hope you learned how to find the perimeter of various objects in this video.
Please consider subscribing and turn on the notification bells for more upcoming videos like this. Thank you.